2. Okay, this is Stateroom 11008 in the Deluxe Spa Verandah. VT. That's a booking class. So here we have the bathroom, a nice size. The bathtub included. And there's the LMS stuff. You also get these ones, which is usually not included in the regular veranda. There's 3 closets here. First one, there's a safe, and there's the yoga mat, which I'm not going to use probably, but that's one of the perks of being in a spa stateroom. In the second one, you get a mirror, and you also get bathrobes, and usually there's slippers. I don't know if I see any here. We'll ask around. This is just an empty closet space. Another perk is you get the Bluetooth speakers. It used to be like an iPod speaker, but they changed that. You also get water and vitamin water. Here you get the mini fridge. Nice area to work at. The chair you can sit on. There's a nice couch. Here's the bed. Nice big screen TV. Remove your life jacket from your closet. Now they got rid of the DVDs, which I'm not aware of. So just a correction. The water is not included, only the vitamin water, and there's no water feature as we've looked at before. So here is, there's also USB ports on the beds, and here is the Juliet balcony. It's really small, but you can fit 2 chairs and a tiny table there, but your neighbors are. Also, there's a bowl. You can get free fruit refilled every day. And here are the prices for the minibar. So I guess there is a water feature, which is just the rain in the Caribbean.